Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make biscuits recipe updated. Preheat oven to 425 degrees F and gather 2 cups flour, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1 TSB salt, 6 tablespoon cold butter, and 1 cup milk. Cut butter into flour until pea-sized, add milk until just combined, fold gently, pat to 3. 5 inches thick, cut with a 2.5-inch cutter, and bake for 12 to 15 minutes until golden. When you mix biscuits, cold butter and a light hand are everything. Work quickly so butter stays chilled while you cut it into the flour. Combine with 1 cup milk until cohesive but still slightly shaggy to avoid toughness. Fold the dough a few times to create layers, then pat to thickness and cut straight down for lift. Chill briefly if butter softens before baking for best results. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more recipes. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is great for staying hydrated while baking, with a leak-proof lid and easy carry handle that fits most cup holders. It makes kitchen cleanup rides easier and keeps water cold for hours. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Bake biscuits on a hot sheet and resist opening the oven for the first 8 minutes to maximize rise. Check at 12 minutes and remove when golden brown and cooked through. Brush tops with melted butter immediately for a soft, flavorful crust and let cool slightly on a rack. Serve warm with butter, jam, or gravy, and store leftovers in an airtight container to keep them soft.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.